how to add email to TikTok bio. To get started, you first need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. Then you will be taken to this home page. From here, you need to tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Then you need to tap on the 3 bars at the top right corner. After that, you need to select the Settings and Privacy option. Here, tap on Account. From this page, tap on Switch to Business Account option. Then, keep hitting the next button till you get to the Business category page. Now, select a business category that describes your business. After that, hit the next button over here. As you can see, you have successfully registered to the business account. Now, get back to your profile page. From this page, go to Edit Profile. Then, select the Action button option. Once you are in, go to the Email option. Now, type your email over here. Once you are done typing the mail, tap on Save at the top right corner. Hit backspace twice. After you reach the profile page, you will notice an action button for email has been added on your bio. So by following these steps, you can easily add email to TikTok bio.